Hello and thank you for enrolling in this course. My name is Siddhant and I'd like to welcome you in this Cinemagraph Masterclass. So let me run you quickly through the structure of this course. We'll begin with Photoshop Basics. This is to help you get familiar with all the necessary tools to be used in this masterclass. If you're an advanced user of Photoshop, you can choose to skip this part. Then comes masking and content aware. This is something which will be used a lot of time to hide or reveal objects. Then comes the timeline introduction. This is where we lay out our layers and create animations. Then we have export settings. In this, I'll be teaching you how to save your projects for different mediums like social media, web browsers, and so on. Then we have three different modules. Module 1 is the overlay effects, in which we'll be making cinematograph using snow, fog, particle, fire, etc. and many other different effects. Then we have module 2, which is about keyframing. Then we have module 3, which is about video masking. Finally, I'll be sharing a sweet bonus with you all. So that's essentially the entire structure of this masterclass. And throughout this course, I'll be giving you access to all those downloadable resources so that you can download them and practice. Having said that, let this journey begin.